Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Here, I will show you how to close apps and windows in 6 ways on your Mac. So, let's take an example to close an app on any Mac. Follow these steps. The first method is close apps via red close button. Click on the red dot in the top left corner of the app window. This will close the app. This can bring up a new window faster than starting up an app from scratch again. On some apps, the red button does quit the app. For other apps like Finder and Safari, the red button closes the window only. Now, if you want to quit an app completely, the alternate method is the keyboard shortcut. Press Command plus Q, and the app closes. It is the most efficient way to close the apps. The second way to close the open app is to use Quit Apps from the menu bar. Go to the menu bar, click the app name, and select the bottom option Quit the app. Remind this, if multiple windows are open for a single app, you must close each window individually. If the above method doesn't work to close all the currently open apps, you can use a different method called the Force Quit option. First, go to the Apple menu, click on the app, and select Force Quit. This will open the Force Quit Applications window, where you can choose the app and click on the Force Quit button to close it. You can press the keyboard shortcut Command plus Option plus Escape to do the same. You can select all apps by pressing Command plus A and force quit all open apps simultaneously. Now, for convenience, the app is not closed. It might seem that way, but it's not. You can know it's open if you look closely at the app icon. You will notice a dot beneath the icon, indicating that the app is still active. To close these active apps which are not responding to close, the following method is Close Apps from Dock. First, right-click on the app's icon in the dock and click on Quit in the menu that appears. You can also close multiple apps at once by following these steps. Press and hold the Option key on your keyboard. Right-click on the app icons in the dock. Click on Quit in the menu that appears. Remind this, only the Finder app remains active because it is the base app. It's always running, and you can't quit it. So, it'll always have the Finder options when no other app is open. When your Mac apps freeze or show a label as not responding, you can use an activity monitor to locate the troublesome app and force it to quit. Press Command plus Space and select Activity Monitor, then click on the app name, press X, and click the Force Quit button. When your Mac becomes unresponsive and does not respond any window to the Force Quit or shortcut method, you may need to use a restart method. To restart your device, select the Apple menu and click on the Restart option. Or press and hold on Power button until the black screen. This action will shut the Mac down and then reboot it. Next, your system tries to close the running apps that they need to close. I hope these instructions are helpful. Subscribe to my channel and let me know if you have any questions.